I decided to create a video about how you can create 3D character with AI and how you can bring it to life with augmented reality. When you come out this website, you will click this button to reach their Discord account, and I typed a woman cat in Santa Claus clothes, voxel art, and T-pose. I received these 4 pieces. Then I created this character like that, and I will export this character as a GLB format. I will download from here. I will open a new scene and save. I will delete all of this stuffs and I will import my character as a GLB format from download section of my computer. I will import in here. As you can see, my model arrived without texture. You will see your texture after click this toggle viewport shading. Okay, right now I will save my character and I will find my mesh. When I find my mesh, I will try to reach to surface channel. From surface channel, I need to click to base color and I need to write file to original location. As you can see, this is UV map of my character. Then I will export my character as FBX. I will choose this one. When I open this character, I need to be sure to select path mode as a copy. If it looks, you can export your FBX. Right now we can pass to mixer mode. Right now I will upload my character from here. A Christmas cat FBX. I will choose this one. You're going to see your character like that, but in here you need to give your main pose to your character for the best orientation, and you will say next. And right now you need to place your markers top of your character, and you need to put your chin from here. Maybe it looks good, and you need to put your elbows, wrestles, put these wrestles from here. Actually, it looks really nice. And elbows from here, maybe. Okay, and then your knees from here. And your groin. I think it's maybe when you think like I think it's good. Okay. Then you will say click and you will wait a few times. My cat character is ready. If your 3D character has been uploaded, proceed with this new character. Your previous character will not be saved. Then you will say next. And right now you can choose your best animation for your character. Okay, I will prefer to choose a dance. This is so nice. I will choose Rumba Dancing, and my character is ready to send Aero. But before to send my character to Aero, I will come back one more time to a blender to put my texture, and then I will send to Aero directly as a GLB format. Okay, right now we come up to here and I will check. I think everything's fine. And right now I'm ready to send my character into Adobe Aero. I will export the GLB because Adobe Aero works with GLB formats. Adobe Aero actually it's free application. You need to take Adobe ID, but I don't know what's gonna happen on the feature. On a new file, my cat. I will say again my cat and I will open and after by the way this is location based experience but this is different topic and actually I explained this video on my previous video. If you would like to learn much more about it you can take a look at my previous video. So right now I will say cancel because I will choose horizontal surface. My cat is ready. I will open my cat is ready. And ta 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 ta, here is my here is my cat. I will choose start and I will put an action. My action, I have some animation from Blender. That's why I will choose to play animation. Subject is my cat is ready. Animation set is this one. And I will choose infinite section. And then I will play and everything works very well. Very nice. Okay. I will say share and I will say create link. Okay, QR code is ready and I can scan this QR code to see this character while it's playing top of my computer. And from my iPhone, I will scan this QR code. I don't need to upload Adobe Aero to my mobile phone. I will say continue. And find horizontal surface. Oh my god, my crazy cat is just playing top of my computer.